Recently, a source leaked news about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series, especially highlighting the premium titanium-based Ultra model. New wallpapers are expected for these phones, and thanks to the tech insider Vetrox 360's modifications, these wallpapers are now downloadable for your current Galaxy phone or any other smartphone. The leaker uploaded these images and linked to download these wallpapers on X, formerly known as Twitter. The leaked images feature the Galaxy S24 Ultra in 4 titanium-based colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. Vetrox 360 used AI algorithms to edit these images, providing PNG files of approximately 4 MB each for download. It's anticipated that the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and even the previously leaked Galaxy Book 4 series might feature similar designs, following Samsung's previous patterns. The final version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to offer variations in lighter and darker versions of these wallpapers. The successor to the Galaxy S23 series, S24 series, is expected to debut at a Galaxy Unpacked event on 17 January 2024. These models are projected to be available for purchase by the end of January, boasting brighter displays with 2500 nits of brightness through a new AMOLED generation. Additionally, a 200-megapixel camera with integrated Galaxy AI capabilities will give users an experience like never before. A 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera is anticipated in 2024, although its optical zoom has been reduced from 10x to 5x zooming capabilities. Moving ahead, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is specially designed for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is optimized for artificial intelligence tasks. What do you guys think of the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Do you like the wallpapers? Are you excited for the S24 Ultra? Which color option will you buy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.